Welcome back now to Saturday's Sports Special. Bowling off with some cricket news, the West Indies women were 5 for 3 off 7 overs in their first match of their 3-match ODI series against Australia women in Brisbane at sports time after being sent to bat. The West Indies are without captain Hayley Matthews, who is out as a precaution as she deals with a quad problem. Shemaine Campbell is standing in as captain in Matthews' absence, while former skipper Stefanie Taylor is the vice-captain for today's game. The Windies women have made 2 changes to the team, which played the third and final T20 against the Aussies, with Cherry-Ann Fraser and Geneva Joseph being brought into the 11. The Australians are unchanged, but Phoebe Litchfield will open and Beth Mooney slots down to number 4. The West Indies went down 2-1 in the T20 International Series. JDF have retained their Jamaica Cricket Association All-Ireland 50-over title after beating Melbourne CC by 2 wickets via the DLS method at Sabina Park today. Batting first, Melbourne posted 245 all-out, with Andre McCarthy top scoring with 99 off 109 balls and Shalom Parnell making 47 off 57. Gordon Bryan took 4 for 29 and Tyrone Burton 2 for 31. In their chase, the JDF were 220 for 8 after 40 overs when play was called off due to bad light. Diethmar Anderson led the way with 77 off 63 balls, while captain Kevin Daly contributed 44 off 99. Dennis Bulai made 30 off 18 and Leighton Leslie 30 off 29. Matthew Comrie was Melbourne's chief wicket taker with 3 for 41. Parnell also grabbed 2 for 44.